Learn English conversations. Embrace sure for informal acceptance. Hello learners. Welcome to our video series on learning English conversations. Today, we're going to delve into the art of accepting requests, and we'll focus on a simple, yet powerful word: sure. This is an informal, friendly way to accept requests and is used frequently in English-speaking cultures. Sure is a word in English that is often used to express agreement or consent. It is a more casual and friendly version of saying yes. In the context of accepting requests, using sure creates a positive, cooperative atmosphere. Let's look at a few examples to understand its usage better. Remember, sure is versatile and can be used in a variety of contexts, so it's important to understand the setting. If your friend asks, "Can I borrow your book?" you can respond by saying, "Sure, you can have it until tomorrow." If someone asks you, "Could you please pass the salt?" at a dinner table, a simple, "sure," would suffice. The key here is the tone of voice and the context, which suggests a friendly, cooperative attitude. In addition to simply saying, "Sure," you can also use common phrases to provide a more elaborate response. Sure thing. This is an informal and friendly way to say, "Sure." If someone asks, "Could you help me with this?" you can respond with, "Sure thing." Sure, no problem. This phrase is used when the request doesn't inconvenience you much. For example, "Can you drop me off at the station?" Sure, no problem. Remember, the tone is just as important as the words themselves. A friendly tone can make a world of difference. So that's it for today, learners. Embrace the word sure in your conversations when accepting requests informally. It's a small word, but it can make your English sound natural and friendly. Remember, the key is to practice, so try to use sure in your everyday conversations. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.